I'd like to introduce you to this truly exquisite semi-detached home in Vredehoek, offering 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, parking for 2 cars over 2 levels. There's a beautiful front garden, really stunning living areas, a few steps from the sidewalk cafe and the Spar. This absolutely exquisite Vredehoek home has been completely renovated, beautifully finished and decorated. Over 2 levels, it offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and secure parking for 2 cars. Let's start with the open plan living area. Air conditioning, fold back doors, bright white kitchen, fireplace, beautiful fitted cupboards, a lovely corner cupboard, double basin, fold back doors to this gorgeous partially covered outdoor area, fully alarmed, beautiful view of Lion's Head, huge braai area with a basin and storage, and exquisite views of Table Mountain beyond. Back into the open plan living area. Beautiful Oregon floors, part of the original house. Down lights. There are 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom upstairs. 3rd bedroom. Air conditioning. Very beautiful bathroom. A basin, toilet, shower. The 2nd bedroom upstairs comfortably fits a double bed and a bicycle. Built-in cupboards. Back out to the living area. Downstairs is a magnificent bedroom suite with sliding doors to the garden. Ample built-in cupboards, a spiral staircase to the 1st floor, and a beautiful bathroom with an oval bath, shower, toilet and basins. The feature of the home is this beautiful laundry, perfectly fitted with a washing machine tumble dryer, various hanging racks and ample cupboards.